Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Lords of the Fallen stuck on loading screen. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So Hexworks hasn't actually provided any fixes for this issue yet, but at least they are aware of the game's technical issues, among many others. So an official fix is expected to be released soon. Anyway, for now, just try the following workarounds that I am going to show you. So first, what you can do is to restart. So it is highly recommended that you try this method first. So restarting is a tried and true way of fixing plenty of issues in game. So you can start with that and do a restart of the game first, and if the issue exists, try restarting your PC or console too. Then next, what you can do is to move the game to an SSD. So the most common reason why you are facing this issue could be that you have the game installed on an HDD. So if that is indeed the case, then move it to an SSD. So this also goes for any other newly released games, especially those AAA or AA ones. And additionally, you should also look at the minimum requirements for the game and check whether your build can run the game normally. And for the Lords of the Fallen, these are their minimum requirements. So you can just go ahead and check it right here. And then next, what you can do is to update drivers. So you should also try updating your GPU drivers if you haven't done so already. There are two ways to do that. The first is through the official website of your GPU, and the other one is by doing it through the companion app. And once updates are installed, just launch the game and see if you still encounter loading issues. And then lastly, what you can do is to update the game. So far, Hexworks has released 3 patches for the game. So if you're behind on updates, just download and install them immediately. So these patches have fixed a lot of issues in game and could also help you resolve this loading screen bug. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.